Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to create a account in GitHub. So GitHub is a cloud-based open source version control system that helps developer to store and manage their code as well as track and control changes to their code. So basically developer can push their code into GitHub. At the same time, more than one developer can work on the same code and track their changes. You can create a private or a public repository in the GitHub. So let's go to the browser and type uh, GitHub. So this is the homepage for GitHub, and here you can see two options: sign in and sign up. So as we don't have any account in GitHub, so let's click on sign up to create. You need to add your email ID here. So my email ID is click on continue. Create one strong password. So let's see password is strong and click on continue. Add username. So my username will be. So if the username is not available, it will show you here. Okay, but right now this username is available, right? So just click on continue. So here it is asking you to select yes or no to receive any updates and announcement from the GitHub. So I will select yes. Click on continue. So here you need to solve the puzzle to prove that you are not a robot. So click on the verify and match this image with this one. So click on submit, then click on create account. Here you will receive an email with some verification code. So go back to your email and check. Yeah, so we got this code. Just copy it and paste. Here it is asking to select how many team members will be working with you. So I will just select just me and continue, and I will not select any feature from here and click on continue. So you can see with the free account you are getting these all the features: unlimited public and private repository, 2000 minutes month, CACD 2000 CACD minutes, 500 MB of package storage, right? And with the paid version you are getting all those features. So I will be continuing with the free. So click on continue for free. So you can see our account is created in a GitHub. So let's click on this icon from the right hand side. Go to your profile. So this is our profile page, and you can see we don't have any repository here, right? So let's click on the repository and create a new repository. So here it is asking to put the repository name. So I will be putting my first repo. And add the description for your repository. Here you can select the public or private. So if you want to create a repo which can access anyone from the internet, you can create a public. Or if you don't want to share your repository publicly on the internet, then just click on the private. So I will be selecting a public one here. Click add a readme file and then click on create repository. So git ignore. So we are not using any git commands here for now. So this is just to create account in GitHub, right? So I will be keeping as it is for now and create repository. So here you can see this new repo we created, right, with one default branch, which is main one. You can add more or multiple branches here that we will be covering in later video. So right now we don't have any code here. So let's add some file here. Let's upload some files from my local machine. So here you can drag and drop the files from your local machine to repository, or you can choose the files from your local machine. So just I'm just selecting these two files. So those two files are selected and click on commit changes. So you can see all your two files is uploaded in the repository. If you want to share this file with someone else, right? So just go to your profile page and copy this profile GitHub profile ID. So by accessing this GitHub ID, you can see all the repository created inside this profile, right? So this is the latest repository which we have created. So you can see all those file is accessible now. So that's it for this video. In this video we saw how to create an account in GitHub, and then we created one repo with some sample files. Thanks for watching.